how to make money using Pinterest.com and affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to make a tutorial about the health and wellness niche. So as I said in the previous video, I'm going to show you every niche in depth. So today's niche is health and wellness. So it's not the right one. Health and wellness. So that's our niche for today. So first let's go to TikTok and let's search for that keyword. Let's copy it from here. Health and wellness, copy. We go to TikTok. We copy our keyword and we search for an intriguing video. So we just scroll, we see the top videos and we check also accounts, health, wellness, lifestyle. So this one is also working with Amazon affiliates. As you can see, there's a way to get Amazon gift cards. So let's just go and scroll and see some posts. Let's choose a popular post like this one here. So this is a pretty good one. It has over 300 views. Let's scroll if we can find another popular one like this one. Over 800 views. Let's scroll down if you can find a million views on some post, and we can choose that post. You can always, guys, create your own posts using Canva or using any video creation platform, but I'm just going to give you the idea here. We have this one which is 3.7 million. So I think we can choose this one. So to download the video, guys, just need to click on it and take the link, copy it, and then open a new tab and type Snaptik app, and you paste your TikTok link here and you hit download. And why I prefer this platform? Because it downloads the video without the watermark. So it's hit download. So here we click download, we close this ad, and our video is being downloaded. So you can close this tab, close TikTok, and we go to Amazon. We also type our keyword, health and wellness. Health and wellness, and we scroll through the products. So we scroll through the products and search for any products. So here we filter by best sellers, and we will choose the best sellers in this niche. So here we have a lot of products. Just scroll until you find anything that catches your eye. aloe vera juice, lily of the desert aloe vera juice, preservative free, whole leaf filtered aloe vera drink. Let's go with this one, Omega D3. So let's go with this product. We go to the top of the website, and we get our link. You can get the link in an image if you want a medium image, or small or large. And this is an image link created below. If you want text and image both, you can have them here. As you can see, you can have your product, and you will have the shop now link under it. But let's go just with the text. So I just want to give you an idea. You can always be creative and make your own ideas. So we copy the link that will take us straight to this page. Even if the client didn't buy this product and went down and bought another product, we will still get our commission. Even if he closes the tab and he goes to another time of the same day and buys something from Amazon, we're still gonna get our commission. So let's go to Pinterest and let's hit create idea pin or create pin. So you can drag and drop or click to upload. It's just drag this video. So it says your upload failed because it's the wrong format. We hit select. So we can't upload a video. Let's delete. So this is for uploading images. We need to go for create idea pin, and here we can drop our video and it's uploading. We can watch it from here. You can add text or canvas, and then you will hit done when you're done, and you give it a little title, something like a fact about the color of your tongue. Here you give it a description. Discover what your tongue, so just give it any description you want, guys. Says about your health. Then you give it details, ingredients, supplies, notes, and here you put your Amazon link. If you want to choose abroad, you choose it from here. And if you want to tag topics, so you put the tags health recipes. You put as much as you can about the health quotes, health breakfast, health snacks, and then you click publish. So that's the idea of this niche, guys. So stay tuned for other niches I'm going to talk about in the future. Don't forget to like the video if you find it useful and share it with your friends. and subscribe to our channel to see the other videos I'm going to publish about the niches.